Yes people, welcome to our exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1 Co.Jp light neutral grey. That is a mouthful, and this shoe is absolutely unbelievable, Jeff. And as you can imagine, I'm just guessed that I actually have the shoes in my hand. But we're going to start off with the box. Ooh, would you look at that? Nice neutral tones all the way across it, but you don't care about the box, you want to see the shoes because this is just what it's held in. These are a reissue of the Japan grade from 2001 and they are unbelievable things, Jeff. We have great materials all the way across the upper. We're talking premium tumbled leathers on the underlays, the overlays. Oh, Lana, just give a little stroke to the brush here. Go on, give that a little stroke. Is that buttery? Exceptionally buttery, unbelievable. This shoe is as premium as it comes, and if you are lucky enough to get the Japan exclusive version, shout out to Japan, there are 2001 pairs coming in a limited edition suitcase, but you know, I'm not Japanese, I don't live in Japan, so I've just got the bog standard version right here, and these will be releasing on August the 13th. And as I said, there will be a very limited drop, but guess what? They're not actually reselling for that much right now. We're talking upper £200, and they're £140 retail. So you're not making that much money if you are copping to resale, but as per usual, wear your goddamn shoes, enjoy them, because these are definitely worth a wear. Rounded off with a nice Air Jordan Wings logo to the collar. This shoe is all about the finer details with Co.Jp on the inside, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but 2001 to 2020 on the tongue. But as I said, £140, August the 13th. And if you want to try and cop a pair, we will leave a link down in the description as per usual, because I'm a lovely fella like that. This shoe will be exceptionally hard to cop. It will be on sneakers, it will be at Offspring, it will be at the high heat retailers, and you can find out all the details below. I've been Chris from the Soul Supply. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 1 light neutral grey Co.Jp, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya!